Hey traders, welcome to 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗃's weekly Forex forecast. You can see that DXY, Euro Dollar, Dollar CAD, Gold moved as expected, along with other pairs that are covered here on YouTube, and the rest of them are covered on our website. And we are so glad that you are benefiting from our videos. And we would like to thank every single one of you guys for the 850 likes and 300 comments. They were amazing. In Forex trading, it's not enough to read the charts. You should know how to read and manage your emotions as well. The best practice for that, you must have system, plan, and a set of strict rules to follow. Do not forget that we are giving 2 traders a chance to win 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗃's course. All the details are in the first comment of this video. So keep watching and let's get started. DXY, for this one guys, all of you should know and remember what we said from here last week. So, all of you who are in this buy, move your stops and manage your trade. And if you are following us from here, we are forecasting every single wave for this one. Now, what next for this? Here in this structure guys, we can see one more move up. If you are not in, do not go for this buy. We will not buy it from here. Only if you are in, manage your trade. If you are not in, we can see one more move up here and then downside again. So, short term, we can see upside. After this up move, we will be focusing guys on this down wave. Why? Because this down wave, it will be bigger than this up wave. Now, if you know and if you want to trade this up wave, you can go for it. We will not trade this up wave. Euro dollar, for this one also we said last week we are expecting a down wave and the market start to go to the downside. All of you who trade euro dollar, we hope that you are in the sell and you are making good profits out of it. What we are expecting next for euro dollar? In this one, we can see one more move down. Again, if you are in the sell, move your stops and manage your trade. For us, we will not take this sell. We will focus on this up move. This up move, it will be bigger for us. Now, those arrows guys are not targets, alright? This market can go all the way down to break this low. You know that. And remember, here we are sharing with you our point of view on what could be the next move in the market and not signals. This means only the direction. So for euro dollar, we can see down and up again. Guys, we want all of you who did not subscribe to our channel yet to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Because when we reach 20k subscribers for our channel, there will be another surprise coming for you. Pound dollar, for this one guys, also you know that we are reading this structure wave by wave. From here we set up, from here we set up, and from here we set down. Market is going as expected. Now, you should know guys that we are not trading every single pair, alright? And we said last week, we will not go for this sell. But now, if we see a setup here, we will go for this sell. Why? Because our unique strategy can give us a good risk to reward in this sell. Now, coming back to analysis, for pound dollar, we can see one more move down here and then upside again. If we see a sell setup, we will go for this sell. So for us, pound dollar is downside next week. If you are in the sell, move your stops, and if you are not in, wait a sell setup, follow your plan and follow your system to get in this sell. This down wave guys, it can be a bigger one, alright? So those arrows are not targets. Aussie dollar, also we said last week we are expecting a downside, and this also start to go to the downside. The next wave and the next move for Aussie dollar is downside also. We can see here market going down sharp. So if you trade Aussie dollar, you must be in the sell, or if you want to sell it, you can go for it based on your plan. We can see market here going down and then upside again. First of all, we can see that market needs to go down to complete a specific structure before the up wave. The bigger direction and the bigger wave is towards the upside, but short term, we can see downside for Aussie dollar. Check our website. It's www.wetradewaves.com. Fill out this form and we will send you 10 exclusive Forex trading tips. And do not forget to scroll down to check our weekly Forex forecast updates. Dollar yen, also this is moving down guys. It was moving slow and then downside fast here. What next for this one? We can see here one more push up, small move up here and then downside again. So the next wave for dollar yen is downside. This down wave guys, it will be a small wave and then upside again. Do not forget, the bigger picture and the bigger wave for dollar yen and all the yen pairs is upside. Internally in this one, we can get up and down again. If you know how to trade this down wave, you can go for it. For us, we will ignore this one and we will trade the bigger wave to the upside. So the bigger wave and the bigger picture for dollar yen is up. Short term down and then long term upside again. New Zealand dollar, one more pair is moving as expected, and we said we are expecting downside. Markets start to go to the downside. Next for this one, short term down, long term upside again. So New Zealand dollar, we are expecting a downside next week. If we see a sell setup, we might go for this sell. Why? Because this corrective structure, it might be bigger. You don't have to know if this one will be a small one or bigger one for now. It's not important. The most important thing here is to maximize your profits when you are right and minimize your losses when you are wrong. One more point for you guys, we are not pretending to be right on every single wave, but most of the pairs are moving as expected. Gold for this one guys, all our traders who trade gold are in this trade. And now they are in a risk-free trade. This means no matter what market will do, the worst case scenario will be break even for them. And this is a big advantage. When you know how to read the charts correctly, you will have an edge in the market. And once you have a unique strategy, you will trade the next wave correctly. So in this one, you know from here we said market can go to the upside guys. From here we're expecting a downside. Market went up, we updated you, and we were not in this buy. Even from here, market also went up, and we are not in this buy. Missing a wave is not a problem, because you need to focus always on the bigger wave. So in this one, we've got a setup here, and we are in this trade right now. If you are in, we hope that you made good profits in this down wave. If you are not in, wait a corrective structure here before you go for any sell setup. We are expecting more downside for gold. Now, can this one shoot up like that? It can, because in Forex trading, you are working with probabilities. This means at any single point of the time, market can go up 500 pips or go down 500 pips. And wave analysis gives you an edge in the market. And edge guys means that you have a higher probability chance of what could be the next move. Higher probability chance. So all of you guys follow us on TradingView. Time to time we are posting charts and updates as well. US oil for this one guys, you know it's investment and you should be looking only for the buy setups. Market went down is not important. And investment means your stop loss should be at 0. Now, in this one, market can go up anytime. And we said to you last week we have orders here, here, and here. That doesn't mean that we are expecting market to go down, but this means we will not miss this up wave. All of you who trade US oil, look for your buy setups. This one, anytime, it can shoot up. The next wave and the next move is toward the upside. Structurally here guys, we can see up, down, and then upside again. This market, it can go up all the way from here. So any sell setup, ignore it, and any buy setup, take it. And if you are investing in this one, your stop loss must be at 0. And this is a good investment. All of you who are trading oil, pay attention to the swaps and rollover fees. You need to check them with your broker. What we are aiming for is an up move, but if it will not go up that quickly, holding this trade might be costly. Do not risk your money if you don't know what you are doing. Forex trading is a tough business. And to master Forex trading and wave analysis, you need coaching. Pound yen, for this one, we are expecting a down move, corrective structure, and then upside again. The next wave, short term, is downside, long term, upside. It's similar to dollar yen. We can see it going down first and then upside again. The bigger picture and the bigger wave is towards the upside. You can trade this down wave and you can trade the up wave again. For us, we are focusing on the up wave. Pound CAD, for this one, we can see downside here and then upside again. Short term, we can see downside. So we will focus on the sell setups before we go for the up move. First of all down and then upside again. So in this one, we will try to sell it before we buy it. We are still expecting an up wave here. This market, it needs to give us a corrective structure, a bigger corrective structure before this down wave. So in this one, we will be looking for our buy setups. We will go for the buy, take profits. Buy, take profits. And then after this up wave, we will be looking for our sell setups. If market will go to the downside from here, we might not sell it. Structurally, we can see it going up, down here for a corrective structure and then down again. So this means short term, anytime we see a buy setup, we will go for the buy now. Go to our community tab here on our YouTube channel. You can see before and after. You can go to our website, chart analysis, and we have a lot of before and after there as well. Dollar CAD, for this one, we said last week we are expecting an up move and market went up 300 pips. Now, what next? All of you who trade dollar CAD, you must be in the buy, and if you are in, move your stops and manage your trade. For those who are not in, wait this corrective structure to finish before you go for any buy. We are expecting one more push up, and this up wave, it can go all the way up to these levels. So next for dollar CAD, up and then down again. So if you are in the buy, move your stops, and if you are not in the buy, you can look for your buy setups short term, and then the bigger wave is toward the downside. For now, we do not have a sell setup and we will not sell it from here. If you trade dollar CAD, you should be in the buy, and now you must be in a risk-free trade. Swiss yen, for this one, it's moving down again, and here we can see small up and then down. After this down wave, we will be looking for our buy setups. Short term, we can see up and down again. So the next trade, it might be to the downside. If we see a sell setup, we might go for the sell. After this down wave, we will be looking for our buy setups again. First of all, sell and then up again. If you are watching this video for the first time and you are not subscribing to 𝗵𝗵 channel, click that subscribe button and click the bell so you won't miss any update. Silver, for this one, also it's investment, and if you are in, move your stops. If you are not in, we are expecting a down wave here. This down wave, it might be corrective or impulsive. In all cases, we are expecting a corrective structure downwards. Nat gas, for this one, market went down all the way sharp to these levels and we did not broke this low. After that, market shoots up again. You know the bigger wave and the bigger direction is toward the upside. And also this one, it's an investment and it's a good investment. Nat gas, short term we can see down and upside again. This down wave, it should be corrective and then all the way up. Guys, do not sell every new high or buy every new low. And do not go for every breakout or every retracement. Forex market is more complex than that. Before you click any trade, you have to have a correct bias. And wave analysis can give you a correct bias. Euro yen, for this one, market went up and down sharp. So this means in this one, we can get one more push up and then down again. We are following this one from here. We sat down, market went down, we sat up, market went up, and from here, we said we might not break this low again. Market went down sharp now, and this structure, it shows us that we can break this low now. So what this means? Short term, we can see one more move down. This sell setup, we will not take it, and we will not sell Euro yen. After this down wave, we will be looking for our buy setups. This is the wave we are looking for, upside up wave for Euro yen. So dollar yen, pound yen, Swiss yen, Euro yen, down and up again. Aussie yen, for this one also we can see downside here and then up again. For now, we can see it going down. So the next trade and the next move is toward the downside. This is what we can see and this is what we are focusing on next week. Downside and then upside again. This upside, guys, it's not ready for Aussie yen. Dollar Swiss, for this one, guys, we will focus on this sell setup. Market will go to the upside first and then downside again. This upside, it can be to this level, it doesn't matter. Dollar Swiss, we can see it going up first and then downside again. We are focusing on this sell setup. Aussie New Zealand, market is going up, up and up. What we need here now, we need a corrective structure. So if you are not in, do not buy it from here. You must wait a corrective structure here before this up wave. If you do not get this corrective structure, you should not go for the buy. Do not forget the bigger wave and the bigger direction is towards the upside and markets start to go up from here. It went up, correction, and sharp up again. Here in this one, we need now a corrective structure and then up again. So short term here, guys, we can see downside. Short term for Aussie New Zealand, we can see downside. If you want and if you know how to trade these down waves, you can go for them. The bigger wave and the bigger direction is towards the upside. All of you who are watching till the end, I have a bonus tip for you. Profitability is possible with 100% wave analysis. Let me repeat, 100% wave analysis only without fundamentals. Now, if you would like to combine your analysis with the news, you are free to do that. Or if you are combining fundamental analysis with technical analysis, you can do that. We are not saying that fundamental analysis are not working. I'm explaining what it's working for us. Wave analysis can make you a profitable trader. And let me explain for you this point. With wave analysis, you can predict the wave way before it happened. But with fundamentals and with the news, you will know the news after the moves. Take this note. Try to follow, guys, the news websites. Follow them on Twitter, watch them on TV, CNBC, Bloomberg, Reuters. You will see them saying, gold moved down because of. US oil moved down because of. Euro moved because of. Dollar moved because of. This because of is too late. And you cannot take advantage of it. Don't get me wrong. Market move because of the news and fundamentals and all the actions of the market participants. All of this, guys, it's plotted on the charts. And if you can read the charts correctly, you can predict the next wave. Do we have a proof for that? our weekly Forex forecasts, our website, before and after, chart analysis, and you can see all of this stuff. Now, we can see how many of you are liking and commenting on our videos. So due to your appreciation and the current situation in the world, we have decided to give 2 traders a chance to win 𝗿𝗿 course that will be starting on the 1st of June and join our private group for free. All you have to do is to comment, like, share, and watch this video how we made 81% profits in 6 months till the end, and we will randomly choose 2 names in a lucky draw that will be published on the 25th of April. All the details are in the first comment of this video. If you join us, you will have access to more than 200 tips that will help you to build the right mindset and be a successful trader. Those tips are based on 8 years of experience. So it's up to you guys to take action. Thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, trade with care, and see all of you next week.